we work with them. So this is the first of the visits I'm going to do today, and I have just requested my good friend here, Mr. Wino. But usually I enjoy better when we just do it like an in-house affair. So we will part company with our good friends at this point. So wherever else I'm going, let me just enjoy my Christmas time with the police officers and their families, those who live in the camps and so on. Because when the media is there, we all end up being very stiff and so on. We don't have the interactions that we want to have. So it's a tradition that we've had, that during the festive season, because our security teams remain on duty, we also remain on duty. We don't go away. We visit the stations. We end up having Christmas lunch with them, and do that with their families where we can. And we started this 2 days ago when I went to the SWAT team in Bakassi. And then we are now going on. We have also encouraged our colleagues, the regional commissioners and the regional teams across the country, to do the same, so that we spend time together, we are working together. It's not punishment, it's a call of duty, that when we are here, because someone has to do this so that the country is secure, and so that our people can go about their activities. I mean, someone has to be on duty for others to carry on with the business they have to carry on with. We can't all walk away, as it were. So, while on that, then I want to thank our security sector colleagues. All the teams we have are working very hard, and IG, you can testify that last night up to this morning we haven't received any security incident report from across the country, because we are in touch with everyone everywhere in the country, and the country is quiet, save for some challenges related to transport, like huge traffic jams in Mai Mahiu and that kind of thing. So far, so good. Where we have security incidents, and these days with the development of technology, we're in touch with everyone almost in real time. When things happen, we know what's happening wherever it's happening across the country. So we're grateful, and I want to take this opportunity to wish my brothers and sisters in the security sector Merry Christmas. The work that we do is such that we have to enjoy Christmas in uniform. We have to be here, we have to work. The reason why we join you and work with you is so that you also see that we appreciate what you do. And we are happy that you have chosen to stay firm and remain on duty, so that our brothers and sisters who are on holiday or are on leave can enjoy their leave. We will also get our time. When the year begins, we will take turns and get our time also to be on leave. But for now, we have to remain on duty to ensure that the country is secure and safe. So I want to thank my colleagues. IG, I'm so grateful to you and all the heads of the agencies. The multi-agency team that the President demanded to be put in place, because we are now working within a multi-agency framework. All the security sector agencies have come together, and we are being coordinated seamlessly across the agencies. It's working. We receive intelligence in real time, we're able to deploy teams in real time, and we're able to work effectively across the country. It's working. I'm aware, and IG, this, the deployment we have, on the critical routes, are filing reports